Most model railway journeys start with your very first train set. Everything you need to dive into this fantastic hobby. And that's exactly what we're looking at in this video, the Hornby Valley Drifter train set. It's an ideal starting point if you're just getting into model railways. While the Valley Drifter isn't based on a real life train, it does have that classic countryside vibe, like the small engines that used to run on minor railway lines. Let's look at what's inside the box. A Hornby MidiMat, a simple scenic mat to help bring your train set to life. Wall plug transformer, gives your set the power it needs. DC train controller, this is how you control your train. Starter oval of track, a basic loop to get you rolling. Hornby rerailer, makes getting your train onto the track nice and easy. Accessory pack, includes little extras for finer details. A wagon in a blue livery with the words J. Fowler Mining Company Limited written on the side. A coach that looks just like a classic passenger coach. A steam locomotive painted in a red livery with Crimson King on the side. Setting up your set is super simple, just make sure you've got a flat surface like a table or hard floor. Try to avoid carpet since the fibres can mess with the mechanics. Connecting the track pieces is straightforward, just clip them together by sliding the connecting metal pieces like so. Now the power track is key. It's a straight piece of track with a little box on it. That's where your controller plugs in. To connect it, just press the buttons on top, pop in the cable and release. Next, place the locomotive and the wagons on the track. You can do this by hand, just make sure the wheels sit properly on the rails. Give them a gentle push back and forth to check they're on correctly. Or, if you want to make things even easier, use the Hornby rerailer. Just line it up with the track, push the train on it, and it will guide the wheels into place. Simple. The wagons connect to the locomotive using Hornby's coupling system, just gently push them together until they clip. Now, onto the controller. It's powered by the wall plug and has a big red dial in the middle. Turn it to the right to go faster, left to slow down. There's also a direction switch which you click to choose which direction you'd like your locomotive to move. Always turn the speed down all the way down before switching directions. And that's it, your train set is ready to roll. Hornby sets like this one are the perfect way to get started, and once you're hooked, there's a whole world to explore. More track, more trains, even building your own model railway layout. If you want to see more, check out our website for the full range, and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube for more videos, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the wonderful world of model railways.